first test was looking at the structure of the soil, micromorphology. That established that it wasn't a piece of bit of sediment that had washed in. It was in situ. It's actually part of that land surface. The second thing was looking at the magnetics, and this showed not only that the sediment had been heated, but there'd been repeated heating in the same place. And then we had looked at the hydrocarbons, and again we are getting a preponderance of heavy hydrocarbons which are associated with human fire use as opposed to natural burning. And then finally we used a form of infrared which established that the red and clay had reached temperatures of over 700 degrees. So all these things pulled together showed that we almost certainly had human fire use. And then it was really the pyrite that was the quencher in terms of fire making. Iron pyrite is a natural occurring iron that can be struck against flint to produce sparks. What we had to work out was whether the pyrite, because it occurs naturally, had been brought to the site with the intention of making fire. It was just part of the background geology in that area. And fortunately for us, 36 years of fieldwork has established, not just at Barnham, but 25 other sites, that in fact pyrite is incredibly rare in the area. And therefore our interpretation is that the pyrite was brought to the site with the intention of making fire.
And so then the other part of that is obviously that you've also been able to date the site and now push back the date of our use and creation of fire by, I think it's, correct me if I'm incorrect, if I'm wrong, 350,000 years. So